Hi everyone. Well, the good news is that we have finished the 20-day um, challenge. This is the last two, the closing chapters of the book. Very, very nice chapters. And so I'm going to read them. So remember, the magic was the last activity that we did yesterday. So this is day 29, but this is not an activity, but I want you to go with, we'll read this together. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Maha Guruji Meling, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. To my higher soul, to the air that I breathe, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, to the abundance that shows up in my life every day, thank you. To my constantly increasing income, thank you. To the success that I'm experiencing every day in all my endeavors, to the support that I'm receiving from the universe, thank you. To the water, the food, my amazing relationships, my very attractive mind, the law of attraction, every organ of my body, every cell of my body. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you all. Just 1 second. So let's read this chapter, and congratulations, we are at the end. We have already finished day 28 days and everything. So yeah. So one thing that I want to say, that everybody who was asking me yesterday about sharing the video, I'm going to try, but nowadays Zoom sends me the recorded video like really late in the night. Earlier it would send me 5-10 minutes after I would do the session. Now they send me at around 10, 11. I don't know why, but then I'm sure there is some glitch that I can't figure out now. So if today I receive the email from Zoom as soon as I finish the session, I'll upload it. Otherwise, again, tomorrow morning I'll upload it. I'll keep you all posted. Your magical future. You are the builder of your life, and gratitude is your magical tool to build the most incredible life. You have now laid a foundation through these magical practices, and with the tool of gratitude, you are adding more floors to the building of your life. Your life will climb higher and higher until you touch the stars. There is no end to the heights you can reach with gratitude. And there is no end to the magic you can experience, like the stars in the universe is infinite. So like the stars are infinite in the universe, the magic is infinite for all of us out there. To speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. To enact gratitude is generous and noble. But to live in gratitude is to touch the heaven. Johannes A. Gertner, professor, theologian, poet. The ideal way to move forward from here is to maintain the foundation of gratitude you have built and gradually keep building on it through increasing your depth in the feeling. The more you practice gratitude, the deeper you will be able to feel it. And the more deeply you feel it, the less time you will need to give it. You understand? The more deeply you connect to the paradigm of gratitude. Now, if all of you, especially the 10 of us who join the session every day, and the 50-60 views that I'm receiving off late every day, if we are following these gratitude, haven't you seen that now to reach that vortex of gratitude is very less? And in those first 7 days when we really had to kind of, you know, bring ourselves into that feeling of gratitude, now it's like a snap of fingers, you just, you know, feel gratitude. As a guide, 3 days a week of Remember the Magic or combining it with two other magical practices of your choosing should maintain your current foundation of gratitude and keep building the magic in your life so that your life continues to get better and better. For example, you might choose to do Remember the Magic of one day, magical relationship on the second, and magic money on the third days. 4 days a week of Remember the Magic or incorporating it with three other magical practices of your choosing will maintain your gratitude and accelerate the magic. So the last chapter that we did on day 28, Remember the Magic. So what you can do is that you can do a Remember the Magic, uh, remember the magic activity, one day on relationship, one day on health, one day on money, and then we can just choose 4 days a week now onwards. If we do these practices, it's enough according to the book. 5 days a week of Remember the Magic or incorporating it with four other magical practices of your choosing will dramatically increase your happiness. 6 or 7 days a week of Remember the Magic or incorporating it with any other magical practices you're choosing, and you will become the true alchemist. So the last day activity, the day 28 activity, if you do that for 6 days a week and one day any other activity of your choice, you become the true alchemist. An alchemist is a person that, you know, turns everything into gold that it touches. Magic practice recommendations. So now I want you to pay attention. To keep the magic continuing in the important areas of your life, like your happiness, health, relationship, career, money, the material things you own, you could do the specific practices for each area once a week. However, if you want to increase the magic in any area of your life, you should give more time to that. If you are unwell, you will want to do the magical practices on your health. For example, every day, if not multiple times a day. The following recommendations will easily guide you toward the magical practices that will have the strongest and fastest effect in that area. Follow the recommendations in the relevant area for 3 weeks minimum, doing each recommended practice once a week. Relationships. Magical practice, page number 48, 109, and 147. The magic wand 211. The magic mirror 233. And the magic, remember the magic, page 238. So if you want to work on your relationships, what you need to do is, suppose now we have already identified, understand what this chapter is about, trying to tell us. We know that what are the areas of our life that need more magic. We all know, right? So if it's relationship for you, 5 days a week, you have to do this activity starting maybe tomorrow morning. Page number 48, page number 109. So magical relationship, page number 48. Magic dust everyone, page number 109. Magically heal your relationship, page number 147. The magic wand, page number 211. The magic mirror, page number 233. Remember the magic, page number 238. If it's relationship that you want to experience more magic on. Now it comes to health. If your health is the area that needs more magic in your life, then page number 58, magical health, page number 109, magic dust everyone, page number 155, magic and miracles in health, page number 205, the magic air that you breathe, page number 211, the magic wand, and remember the magic, page number 238. So you know what you can do? You can go back to these videos that are on my YouTube channel and do that for the next 5 days. Now that's what we need to do for the next 5 days. Money, if money is the area that you're looking to manifest more in your life, then this is what you need to do. Magic Money, page number 66. The Money Magnet, page number 99. The Magic Check, page number 163. The Magic Wand, page number 211. The Magic Mirror, page number 233. Remember the Magic, page number 238. If you want to build a career in a particular profession, Works Like Magic, page number 74. Magic Dust Everyone, page number 109. The Magic Wand, 211. The Magic Mirror, 233. Remember the Magic, page 238. Your desires, if you want to manifest your desires, Magic Dust Everyone, page number 109. Make all your wishes come true, page 129. Before your very eyes, page 199. Magic Wand, 211. Magic Mirror, 233. Remember the Magic, 238. Your magic rock. You can make the magic rock practice as a part of your daily life by continuing the magic rock practice, in which you hold your magic rock at the end of every day, hold it and express gratitude for the best thing that has happened to you today. That is something that's going to take you 1 minute. So continue it for the rest of your life, and you can, become more magnetic. Magic dust, if you remember, like, you just, you know, sprinkle that magic dust on any person, and believe that it's going to work out in you. That you can use, sprinkling the magic dust over people who serve you. There are many more ways to continue using this practice. You can sprinkle magic dust over everyone and everything. If your boss is a bit grumpy, you can secretly sprinkle magic dust over him or her. Family member, loved one, anyone you come across who needs magic in their life, you can use it every time, and you can use your imagination after sprinkling the magic dust, to change the situation. Visualize what you want to happen. That's the end of today's chapter. Tomorrow is the last session, which is very, 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 very interesting, which is called The Magic Never Ends. So tomorrow, 9:15 p.m., I'm going to come online again, and maybe tomorrow, I'm actually planning another book reading. Let's see, or maybe tomorrow or in a few days, I'm going to announce that. So that's it, and let's do the closing prayer to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grandmaster Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great one, Dr. Osui, Dr. Maya Hayasi, Mrs. Takata, to the universe, to the sun, the moon, the stars, to the earth, to the air that I breathe, the water and the food that I consume, to each and every organ of my body, to each and every cell of my body to become so attractive, to my very attractive mind, to the amazing law of attraction, to the financial success, financial prosperity, relationship prosperity, health prosperity, spiritual prosperity, to the support to you all, to Rhonda, and to each and every person connected to this book. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you all tomorrow. And I really love you all for being so passionate about this journey of mine. And thank you. And encourage people to do this. Now you have all the videos online. Please become like a group, maybe somebody who can lead a small group in your house, in your building, in your friend circle, and do these 28 activities every day, because it really changes if you become an instrument to somebody else's abundance. And you can only experience this once you do it, once you try it. So that's something you must really look forward. For now, tomorrow is the last day. I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye. Love you all.